In this video, I will show you how to change your name on League of Legends, so let's jump straight into it. So here we are on my desktop. As you can see, I've currently got League of Legends opened, and what you're going to want to do first is come up to the top right hand corner and you want to click onto these coins up here, which will take you to the store. So once the store has loaded, what you're going to want to do again is come up to the top and you're going to see a little icon up here with like a picture of a person and a gear icon. You want to click onto this to be taken to your account. And then from here, to go ahead and change your name, you want to find the summoner name change. Now, in order to do this, you do need to have RP and BE. So you can see you need 1,300 RP and 13,900 BE. To purchase RP, of course, you can do that by clicking the button up here. But all you want to do to change your name, once you've got enough, is click onto this. And then what you can do is go ahead and put your desired name into here. So I could put something like this. And then if you check the name, you can see if that's available. As you can see, this one is not available. So I'm just going to change it up again. Click check name. You can see that name is available. So as long as you've got the available funds, you can go ahead and change your name. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today. And if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.